Look like a big yellowtail kingfish. Well people, it's been a friggin' long winter. I don't think I've been snorkeling once in 6 months. Finally, spring is here. That sun's blaring away. The water's still freezing cold, 21 today, light winds, there's absolutely no tree movement. I've been keeping myself busy, my native garden. A lot of plants are starting to self-seed now. I haven't planted any plants this year. The flowers are coming out, the bees are happening. We're gonna try Ammo Jetty today, but reports are that Coburn has been doing some dredging and the water's as murky as can be, but the winds are so good, so we're going to go to Ammo Jetty, and if it's no good, maybe go somewhere else. I charged my GoPro batteries last night. I'll have to give my camera a little bit of a clean, get some of the sand out of the seals, because I think I've lost 5 GoPros so far. In fact, I've got a brand new GoPro, a Hero 9 that I replaced under the subscription. Brand new Hero 9. Beautiful. Like I said before, I've lost quite a few cameras, but I think most of the problem is if you get one little bit of sand on these seals, you know, you get a little bit of water ingress, and once salt water gets in, that's it, it's cactus. So it's really important that you clean those seals. And the good part about the 9s and 10s is you only got one door now, but it's larger. And I'm not convinced the GoPros are as waterproof as they say. Look at that. Ammo Jetty. Might be alright. Look at that, spring is here. People jogging, fishing. It is so murky and green, and the water's freezing. I think I need to wait a few more weeks. Woohoo! Look at that! So beautiful! Well, it looked like a big yellowtail kingfish. How nice are all these little yellowtail. Thousands of them. That was still pretty good. Both my cameras kept turning off. I have no idea why. I didn't have my glasses on, so I couldn't read the error, but my 10 and 9 both kept turning off after a few minutes. Don't know what that jellyfish was, but pretty cool. But he stung me a few times. And watch what happens. Both doing the exact same thing.
Turning off?
Yeah, and saying low battery, even though that's on 33 now. Right?